Long spells of drought in Thar desert of Sindh province is known for the horrible effects in the form of deaths among the human and their livestock. In Thar, the source of potable water is rain, a rare occurrence. Some collect drops of rainwater in artificial water storage known as a tonka, and it does not last more than a couple of months. Amid such extended and harsh dry seasons, when they discovered an underground source of water at their doorsteps, the euphoria was huge. Discovery of sweet water at Sono Samo village near Umarkot has sparked feeling of intense excitement and happiness.
ये पेरे इलाको सजो खारो तकरीबन सर सजो असी पानी खोखरा पार का छोर का नेरे इलाके गाने पींदा आसे पोवर थरदीप के इन इलाके में मौको मिलो आई असा के टूबल हने नहीं इन में पानी मिठो निकली पियो.
The locals say that in Sono Samo village near the border there used to be no water for human consumption or for the livestock. Some say water was available in the ground, but it was brackish and hardly fit for human consumption.
फ़ायदो वॾो पहुतो हज़ारों माल पींदो आहे गांचियूं भेड़ूं उठियूं ऐं रिढ बकरी.
Dr. Sono Khangarani of Thardip said that initially we drilled up to 750 feet for sweet water, but what we found was brackish. Later, on the insistence of villagers, we drilled further and went as deep as 1,300 feet, and luckily sweet water there was.
At the 1,300 feet down, they got the artesian well. The water oozed out of the pipes, and it went 60 feet up. 385,000 gallons of water per day, which is coming out without any machine, without any pressure. It's the only natural pressure coming it out.
Discovery of underground sweet water in Sono Samo village has raised hopes of water in adjoining parts of Thar as well, and if such programs are replicated in the other areas, it might mitigate water-related problems of Thari people.
People have expectations that this unit will remain continue in future. Qurban Ali Kushk, Dawn News, village Somu Sama, near Khokhrapar, Umarkot.